Alright guys, so the time has come. I am back with another plant video update. I think it's been maybe like 2 or 3 months since I did a full update of these plants in my house. So I thought I'd share with you what's going on with the plants, you know, any progress or, you know, what you think. You know, there's been a lot of you that have been keeping up with my plant videos. So maybe you can tell me, you know, hey, that plant has been growing. Hey, that plant is not doing so good. So, you know, I'm always open to hearing what you guys have to say about my plants. And thank you so much for your continued support with my plant segment on my channel. These plants, they are something else sometimes, but with your support, I have not given up. So thank you so much. If you're interested in watching this video, keep on watching. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started in reviewing these plants. So I won't be here all day with you guys. It's a beautiful day outside on the East Coast, so I'm not sure where you're at, but it's Sunday, and I know you want to enjoy your day. So let's get started. The first plant I'm going to start with is probably this huge plant right here, as you can see. Look how big it is. That is my Monstera plant. It's been doing really good so far. It's been great. I noticed that some of the leaves have a little bit of this burn mark on it, as you can see right here. Let's see if you can look up close. It has this burn mark on it. So a few of the leaves have that on the end. So I'm not sure, sorry. I'm not sure what that is. I'm just adjusting the camera back. I'm not sure. Here we go. Sorry, guys. I'm not sure what that is. Those marks are. Maybe you guys can tell me. Maybe it's too close to the sunlight. But a few of the leaves, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, have those burn marks. Now, I know I posted a video about a few weeks ago that it had some of those mealy bugs or one of them things on it, and I got some alcohol and wiped the leaves down. Maybe it could be the alcohol that burnt the leaf. I'm not sure, but the plant is still flourishing. I'm just trying to figure out what those marks are coming from. Not sure. So maybe you guys can tell me what that is. But the plant is growing. As you can tell, it's huge. It is huge. It's taking up my entire corner. All right, so the next plant I'm gonna get into is my ivy. This plant just grew. It grew like crazy. Like, I cannot believe how much this plant grew. It's growing. Like, ivies grow really nice. Like, I guess the vine plants, they always grow beautifully. They grow so fast. The next plant is my pothos plant. I cut this plant and it is just growing again. It's like, you want to cut me? Cut me, because I'm a grow even more. Boo, cut me. And obviously this plant did it. This is my pothos, my golden pothos. Like I said again in my videos, this plant never fails me. It just grows. It does what it's supposed to do. It grows, grows, grows. And now this one is getting longer, and I just cut it. I just cut it a few months ago, and it's just growing, growing, growing. So I can't complain. This plant flourishes, and it stays green, and it stays beautiful. Recently I put some plant fertilizer in my plants, so maybe that, you know, will help even more. The next plant is my string of pearls. Again, in my videos, if you haven't watched it, go back and check them out so you can know what's going on. Someone told me to wrap the pearls around so it can grow fuller and grow down like pearls. This plant grows very slow, or succulent. It grows very, very slow, but it definitely has been growing, and the string of pearls looks so much better than before. Will it zoom in? I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's been growing very healthy. The little balls been getting bigger. Like, it's really doing good. So what I did with this plant is just stop paying attention to it, left it alone, water it every now and then, and that's it, and stick about the sunlight. It's been doing really good. My next two plants are one of my favorite plants, of course, the snake plant. I don't know, in my previous videos, I took a cutting from my big mama snake plant that I'll show you in a second, and potted it. So now it's been growing its own babies. So as you can tell, look how long that one is. Look how long this one is getting. So it's growing its own babies. Awesome. It took forever for that to happen though. It took a long time, maybe 6 months, if not more. I can't remember. But if you go back to my videos, you'll be able to tell it took forever. The next plant is this plant. I keep forgetting the name of this plant. I got this plant at one of those home stores called Arhas. It came with the pot, fell in love with it, had to get it. This plant hasn't been doing much. Maybe I need to water it? Yeah, I just watered this plant though. But I do need to water it again though. It's leaning a little bit. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock rock with it. But this plant has been doing okay. Nothing new about this plant. It grows, and sometimes it has a little attitude, sometimes it don't, but for the most part it grows. It's been doing really good. I do need to water that plant though. All right, I know most of you are ready for this plant, Lucy Crazy Self. This is Lucy. I haven't given up on her. She really hasn't had that many yellow leaves. She does have one, I think one right here. This one. And I think that was it. Some of her tips been browning a little bit, as you can see. Maybe it could be the water or not getting enough water. I don't know, but this is my fiance is responsible for this plant, because I told you I gave up on Lucy. I'm sick of Lucy. I gave up on her. Now her leaves have been growing. It has been getting bigger, but he's responsible for that plant. He watered that plant. I gave up on her. That's his plant. Because she was ready to leave. Remember I was telling y'all that she was about to be out the door. But he fell in love with her. He was like, don't leave Lucy. Don't leave her. I was like, all right, you take care of her then. Because I'm not dealing with her. My next plant is my favorite plant, the snake plant. This is my plant of the year. It's growing and growing and growing. As you can see, still healthy and green and beautiful. It continues to grow, 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 grow. It never lets me down, never fails me. It's such a great plant. The next plant is my dumb cane plant. It's growing slowly but surely. Definitely growing, as you can look at the 2 leaves, and there's another leaf coming in. So that's really good. You know, for those of you who've been keeping up with me, that plant started from the bottom. And you know that. That plant started from the bottom. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you gotta go back and look at those plant videos, because that plant started from the pit. Okay? So the next plant is this plant, nothing new. This is my Birds of Paradise plant. I know a lot of you keep telling me repot it, put it in a smaller pot, but I'm kind of lazy. I don't want to. I want to see what it does because it's growing in this pot. So I'm just going to leave it there. But it's been doing okay. It has a new leaf that is growing. You know, I had to cut off one of the leaves because my fiance ran into the plant or did something and the leaf broke off like that. So I had to fix that one, but this one's growing. You know, as long as it's growing, I'm not worried about it. This plant grows slow. I don't really care about that plant. I mean, I like it, but it stays in the corner. Like, it's a slow growing plant. I just water it every now and then, and that's it. My next plant, I think this is the last one. I'm trying to move fast for you guys. My next plant is my second favorite plant. Coolest plant of the year, my ZZ plant. This plant is just growing like crazy. I don't know, it grows so weird. Like, look at it. It has these tall ones here, and then it has these short ones here. I don't know, honey. This plant got split ends. Look at it, short and tall leaves. But this plant is beautiful. It does nothing but grow. It doesn't give me any problems. It never fails me. It does nothing but grow. You know, those particular plants with the thick leaves, the green leaves, those are really low maintenance plants. Not a bad plant at all. And I think that was pretty much it, guys. That was quick, right? I do have my Lucky Bamboo plant over there at my kitchen, but I don't feel like getting it. But nothing new with that plant. You know, Lucky Bamboos are, you know, what they are. But that's about it, guys. I'm noticing that the spring is starting to come. I am seeing like 1 or 2 little gnats from these plants. So if you guys have a special remedy for that, let me know. I know it's a spray I probably can get to start spraying these plants. It's like as soon as the spring started coming, a few of these gnats, it's like 1 or 2. I be ready to punch them because they just be kind of, ha, catch me if you can. Woo, that thing get on my nerves. But that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you thought about my plants. If you noticed any growth with them. If you have any advice or other tips that you guys can give me. And again, thank you so much for your continued support. I will post another video soon. I know that I want to get another plant for the spring, just to welcome the spring once it starts getting warm. So I will do my plant reveal soon. And that's about it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. Leave it down in the comments below. And thanks again, guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.